सुमारे 1750 टन डांबर घेऊन MV इन्फिनिटी ही नौका बुधवारी रात्री गुजरातहून कारवारच्या दिशेने निघाली होती। गोवा समुद्र किनाऱ्यापासून 20 नॉटिकल मैल अंतरावर असताना या नौकेच्या डाव्या बाजूने पाणी आतमध्ये शिरण्यास सुरुवात झाली। खराब हवामानामुळे परिस्थिती आणखीन बिकट झाली। या बोटीवर तब्बल 14 खलाशी, 2 जहाज अधिकारी आणि 4 कर्मचारी होते। या सर्वांचा जीव धोक्यात आला। जहाजावरच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी प्रसंगावधान राखून लगेच आपत्कालीन कक्षाशी संपर्क साधला। परिस्थितीचं गांभीर्य ओळखून नौदल आणि तटरक्षक दलानं लगेच गस्ती नौका घेऊन त्या दिशेने कूच केली। त्यांनी रात्रभर अथक प्रयत्न करून 14 खलाशी आणि अधिकाऱ्यांना सुखरूप बाहेर काढलं। त्यानंतर उच्च क्षमतेच्या पंपाच्या सहाय्याने त्यांनी नौकेतील पाणी बाहेर काढून नौका कारवारच्या किनाऱ्यावर खेचून आणली। या घटनेमुळे मोठा अनर्थ टळला। बुधवारी सकाळी 7:30 वाजेपर्यंत हे बचाव कार्य युद्ध पातळीवर चालू होतं।
In the evening at around, we got a message from our headquarters, Mumbai MRCC Mumbai, late in the evening that one vessel, merchant cargo carrier MV Infinity 1 is in distress. The vessel was going from Kandla to Karwar. And when the message came, a Navy's ship was operating off Goa. She was the first to rush to that casualty ship. It rendered assistance, it put its pump on board. But most of the pumps of the Navy and Coast Guard operate on 415 volts, and the master of Infinity could not give that power supply. So much dewatering could not be done by the naval ship. Amal, which was in area, was also diverted, and it also could give us only one small pump which operates on 230 volt. Then the Coast Guard ship Shur, which was under repairs here, which was recently commissioned by Honorable Shipping Minister, built by GSL. We diverted her by stopping its repairs, and within an hour he reached the casualty site, which was 20 miles off Goa. And there he sent his expert salvage team on board, comprising of shipwright, electrical, engine, marine engineers, mechanical engineers on board. Once they reached, they saw the ship was listing very dangerously to about 12 degrees on one side. They took prudent action and they restored the 415 volt supply of the ship, and then once it was restored, all our pumps could be started, and the Shoots team ensured the list is corrected, and list is now minimized to about 4 to 5 degrees. The vessel was carrying asphalt, as you know, local it's tar, and it was in hot condition, it was in hot mixture on board. It was going to discharge at Karwar. The owners and the master desired that they go to Karwar because discharging that vessel was more important. That could turn out to be a dangerous cargo, and undertake repairs at Karwar. So presently, the Shoots team, salvage team, is on board this vessel, and it has gone to Karwar. And at about 5 o'clock p.m. today, it will be reaching Karwar, and it is being escorted by Coast Guard ships.